Congratulations once again,
Congratulations, sir.
Ricky. And to call the next awardee is none other than Mr. Direk Von Neri Erika, the Award for Excellence Youth Development for Arts and Culture.
Hello, sir. Direct Von Neri Erika. Congratulations, sir. Okay, next on our list is Mom Jocelyn Zafna de Guzman, also known as Juby de Guzman, our most promising broadcast journalist and host.
Next on our esteemed list is Mr. Alfonso de los Santos, Professor PP, Best Morning Show host. Congratulations!
And now for most outstanding morning show of the year, may we call on the representative of Rise and Shine Pilipinas. Rise and Shine Pilipinas. Si Professor Pipi will accept the award.
Hindi ako awardee. Hindi ko naman sinabi, bigyan ako ng award eh. Nung pumunta ako, hindi ko sinabi.
Mahalaga to. Makakain tayo na mali. Basta yung binigay mo yung according sa
And now we would like
Yun naman ang purpose eh.
and now we would like to
ito, dahil mo ng
call
award.
the Outstanding TV Network
Artist.
of the Year.
Ako naman.
Bumili ka ng cabinet,
PTV.
lagay mo doon.
Eh, ito, gagawa ko na naman ng pwede. Dami mo na naman.
Okay, yun, mag-aalisan na yun pag nabutan na ng award.
Kaya nga, pag naabutan.
Ganyan yan eh.
Hindi lang, magpapunta na tayo.
Hindi ka pa matatawag, iba. Tatapusin mo na to eh.
Kaya nga, tulad nga.
And now may we call on someone very close to my heart, the Outstanding Entertainment Media Personality, Mr. Fernand de Guzman.
Congratulations, Miss
Ito
Kat.
nalagay para magmukhang ano ka,
Okay,
vlogger.
next on the list is our most outstanding media influencer, Miss Rosel Santiago. Miss Rosel, may we call on you on stage to receive your recognition as most outstanding
Ilan yan?
media influencer.
Wala pang 30% eh.
Oh, okay pa yan. Tatagal yan ng mga
Okay, are you here, Miss Rosel
30 minutes.
Santiago? Okay, so let's proceed to our next awardee.
Our next awardee for tonight is the Outstanding Singing Soldier and Recording Artist of Philippine Navy, Mr. Melchor Nunez Soriliano. Again, may we call on our next awardee, the Outstanding Singing Soldier and Recording Artist for Philippine Navy, Mr. Melchor Nunez Soriliano.
Thank you very much, sir. Now may we call on our next awardee, the world-class rising young star, Mia Jackson. Miss Mia Jackson.
Talaga. Lahat yung haba.
Ayun, trophy sa kaplaki. Ha? Saka siya ibigay. Nakalaminate na pala eh.
Nakalaminate na dati walang lamination.
Nakalaminate na.
Ang binigyan
Hindi maganda. Ewan ko lang kung nahabol ha, ng mga laminate. Ay, tayo na lang magpalaminate. Mahalaga may trophy.
Mga
Congratulations,
Advanced
Mia
na yun.
Jackson, you deserve the award. And may we call on the next, we are excited to announce the next award, which is the most outstanding anchor in domestic tourism for its advocacy at RMN DZXL News. May we call on Rafael S. Chico.
Inuna yung mga media. Doc Ronnie, inuna ang media.
Hindi ang professional.
Kasi sila yung nagko-coverage.
Before we proceed, may we acknowledge the presence of the stage publicist of Mia Jackson, Donnie Nicasio. Donnie Nicasio, hello to you.
Ronnie Nicasio.
The stage publicist. Okay, now next in line is the world-class jazz singer performer of the year, Miss Marlene De La Peña. Miss Marlene who flew direct from Japan.
Ronnie Nicasio. Nakikipagkaibigan sa akin, ayoko kaibiganin.
Ganun ka din ba yun?
Ine-exis ko lang. Yung pala, awardee pala siya dito.
Thank you very much, Miss Marlene De La Peña. You know, she's a very famous.
Yan ang magandang kuha. At least, ano na yan, mas magaling yun eh. Abogado yun eh. Tsaka doktor.
Daddy Rex.
Oo, mas okay yan.
No.
Kasi pag meron kang, may advantage tayo eh. Kasi mag-hire tayo ng lawyer, babayaran pa natin
Kaya
yan.
nga eh. Papakita
Di
ko
ba,
na kaya to.
meron pang ano yun eh. Mag-aano ka pa eh.
kumbaga sa ano.
Kumbaga, para
may-
kang
may nahuhuli, may
umuupa ng
nahuhuli.
bahay pag nag-hire ka ng lawyer. Eh. At least yan, pag may hearing lang, abutan mo, di ba?
Ganun ba?
Oo, medyo ano ka, makakatipid ka.
Manipid
O sabihin mo, paglaban mo ha, kakaibigan ko yung boss mo, si Persida Acosta. Tatakot yung kanyang under eh, no? Talaga ipaglalaban.
Ito na nakita ko si Acosta, pakikita ko yung diary lang.
Pero I'm so happy, so proud. Nakaka-honor na talagang nandito po siya ngayon kasama natin. Alam kong kilala niyo po siya. Malinir ang video, ha? Of course, ano ang pagkakasabi ko, kasabayan po siya nila Ate Dulce Amor. Hindi ho ba? Hindi ho ba? Siyempre, anong question kasi alam niyo po yung mga jazz singer, hindi po basta-basta
Hindi kumanta si Emma.
-1
Hindi kumanta si Emma,
So,
ah.
before we
Unbelievable,
give,
ah.
Siyempre, marami na siyang mga
recognition to her,
singer
please
dancer.
show up her performance naman in Japan. How about a warm applause, please? Yes! Show up her original song! Are you ready? Yes! Number 1 hit. Are you ready? Yes! Okay, let's go!
Doc Ronnie, sa Quiapo ka na makatulog para bababa kami doon sa Brescia.
Hindi ko kayo Bro, hindi mo kakakutay.
Tapos ka, para baba ko Brescia, doon ang sakay ng bus eh. Sa may Brescia top.